Hey, with Halloween coming up, we decided that we feel this would be the perfect time to answer a lot of the comments that we get is, hey, are you the Hellraiser Twins? Freeze! And yes, we are. Hellraiser came to us in 1996, and we're going to go ahead and react to the movie and give you a little backstory on that, and we're going to do that right now. My name is Jim Schulke, and I'm Dave Schulke. We've been twin plumbers since 1992, servicing homeowners all over Los Angeles. You know, being in the home service business, we go into a lot of people's homes, and a lot of people ask, well, wait a minute, you guys are the Hellraiser Twins. How did you get that part? Well, we happened to be servicing a casting director, and at the time of the service, she had an awesome idea, and she was producing this movie called Hellraiser. That's right. So we're working underneath this house all day, and we're in our crawl suits. I'll never forget. We had dirt all over our faces and pipe wrenches, and we're both coming out from underneath the house. Yep. And she pulls up, and she pulls her groceries out, and she's walking to the front door, and she sees us with both of our heads kind of poking out of the crawl space, and she stopped and said, hey, are you guys twins? Oh my God. Yep. And then what, Jim? And so she told us that she was producing this movie. It was a horror movie. And she says, you guys, I think you guys would be a perfect part in this movie. And would you guys like to audition? We're like, well, we're just plumbers. We've never really, we don't know how to read a script. So, and then she ran inside, grabbed her camera, and we sat on the back of our plumbing work truck on the bumper. Yep. And she just started recording us. And she's asking us basic questions about us, where we're from, how old we were, and it worked out pretty well. So we knew that we got the part about a week later, and so we get on set, and we're going to show you what the end result was. Let's go ahead and get started, Dave. All right, so we play a couple of security guards, and it was just a small scene, but hindsight, it's pretty epic with the work that we did in this movie here. We had no idea at the time that we were filming. This is a really big cult film. Hellraiser, Pinhead is a pretty big figure.
Freeze! Just back it up against the wall. You heard him, back it up. Don't make us put some paint on you.
So, if you guys know Pinhead, the pistols absolutely had no chance to Pinhead.
Pain. How dare you use that word?
He's got pins in his head.
What you...
Now that little comment that I made there, he's got pins in his head. I remember sitting in a movie theater and at the far back, kind of observing the audience. And that reaction there, everybody laughed in the theater. It was a pretty cool moment. I had to share that.
You think all this pain is only a shadow. Pain has a face. Allow me to show it to you.
Get ready. He's going to show us. Hey, and to be honest with you, being on set, Pinhead is pretty scary in person. Even though it's a movie, Doug Bradley, who plays Pinhead, awesome guy, does a great job.
Gentlemen, I am pain. I know your fear.
Now don't you say we are plastic?
Please, don't separate me from my brother. I give you my word. That will never happen. A lesson, princess. Work with me or for me.
that scene there, showing it to my daughter when she was like about 6 years old. And she saw it and she actually just started crying because she thought that her daddy was getting killed. Those are plastic as well. When you look at them, they're plastic. I like our reaction to this. Those are prosthetics, guys. It took us literally this shot right here. I remember going in those days at the trailer, and we were probably in makeup for like 6 hours because they literally, each day that we had to do this shot, they would actually make those prosthetics around our face to do the connection. So they were individual, then they brought it together. So that was pretty brutal. A lot of hours sitting in the chair. Halloween, guys, they play our movie like almost every year. I remember too, my voice, it was gone for several days because that scene right there took a lot out of me. I mean, I put my whole heart and soul into that scene right there. Well, that's our scene, guys. So we just wanted to kind of, we get like a lot of comments like, what was it like? And so how much money did you make? How much money did we make on that? I think it was like $25,000. $25,000 each. It was a pretty good gig. It was a great experience. We'll never forget. Well, guys, hopefully this was entertaining and answered some of the backstory of Hellraiser. And happy Halloween to you all. Hey, leave your comments. Yeah, let us know if you've watched that movie, if you've recognized us from that movie. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.